Okay, just finished the wiring of this Q7, so now I'm gonna quickly shut this. Just force it to close because you can hear the actual motor working and pulling this one down. So now we're going to actually see if it opens from the outside. Yep, I can open from the outside. So the problem was the actually alarm doesn't even know if the car's shut, so nothing works properly. So the alarm kept going off because the wiring was broken for the actual rear glass sensor, breakage sensor, and the actual door and the actual control module doesn't know if it's ready to actually close the door or open the door, because the module thinks the actual something is open. So the alarm will go off sometimes and go off. But now I can actually open the door from the outside and I can close the actual boot. So I'm going to close it. I don't have the trim here, so I'm going to just force a little bit because I need the trim. I can't, I'm just doing some testing. So just go slowly. You can hear the motor pulling the door in. See how it's pulling it in? See, it's pulling it in. So now I can't open the door. I'm just grabbing it here so I can actually pull the glass up, the rear lid up, make sure it's shut, and I can just touch the switch. Now it's going up. Okay, thanks for watching. This car sorted, so we've done the actual brakes as well. New rear brake disc. The pad's got 4 mil to go, so maybe in about 12 months. That's a brand new disc. So now I'm going to put everything back together tomorrow, and then erase all the fault and see what else I can do, and then get the customer to pick it up. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.